Alright everyone, in this video we are going to be converting 1011.101 base 2 to base 10 now using the expansion method. So all we need to do is we have our 1011.101 which is in base 2. We are going to be assigning powers. So to the left of the decimal point we have 1, 0, sorry, and we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. To the right side of the decimal point we have -1, -2, and -3. So which is going to be equal to, so as we already know, we multiply each of these numbers by the base that is given to us. So we have 1 times 2. This time around is going to be raised to the power of 3. So raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 again times 2 raised to the power of 0. So we have this other side. So we have plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of -1 now. Then we have plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of -2. Then we have plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of -3. So in situation like this, we have 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. That is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, then 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 times 1 will give us 8 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 here is 4, but 4 times 0 is going to give us 0. Here 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, and 2 times 1 give us 2. So we have 2 raised to the power 0, like we've already established that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 1 times 1 gives 1. Then plus 2 raised to the power of -1. When you have a number raised to the power of a negative number, that is, let's say we have a raised to the power of -1, the negative power, the negative in the power signifies 1 over. So in situation like this, we have 1 over, then we have the base, which is a raised to the power of 1 that is there. So if it is a raised to the power of -2, the negative power signifies 1 over. So we have 1 over, then we have a, in this case, raised to the power of 2. And that's how you progress for others. So in situation like this, we have 2 raised to the power of -1, which is going to mean 1 over because of the negative that we have among the powers. So 1 over, then 2 raised to the power 1. That's how it is. So we have anything times 1 still remains that thing. So we have plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 1. Then plus the same thing with this. 2 raised to the power of -2 means 1 over 2 raised to the power 2. But when you multiply this by 0, it gives 0. So we write 0. Then plus 2 raised to the power of -3 is 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. So which, when you multiply by 1, still give you 1 over 2 raised to the power 3. So 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. So you have 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11. So we have 11. Then plus, so we have 1 over 2, because 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. So 1 over 2. Then plus 1 over 8, because 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So 1 over 8. So all we just need to do is add 1 over 2 plus 1 over 8 together, which is going to give us 11 plus, so let me, LCM is 8. 2 in 8. This 2 in 8 is going to give us 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus this 8 in 8 is going to give us 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have equal to 11 whole number 5/8 in base 10. Please don't forget. Or you can write it in decimal, which is going to be 11.625 in base 10. And that's how you go about it. So you can see it's very simple and straightforward. So let's quickly look at another example, which is having decimal too. So we see how we progress. So we have convert 3012.21 base 4 to base 10. How do we go about it? Solution. So using the same procedure, we have 3012.21 in base 4. Let's assign power. So to the left of the decimal point. So we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. To the right side of the decimal point, we have -1 and we have -2. So we have equal to, we multiply each by the base. The base given to us here is base 4. So we multiply each number by 4, then raise to the power of whatever label that we have for each of these. So the first number is 3. We have 3 times 4 raised to the power of 3 plus the second number is 0. 0 times 4 raised to power 2. Then the third number we have here is 1. So plus 1 times 4 raised to power 1. Then we have 2. So plus 2 times 4 raised to power 0. So we move to the one after the decimal point, which is 2. So plus 2 times 4, this time around is going to be raised to power -1. Raised to power -1. Then lastly we have 1. So plus 1 times 4 raised to power -2. So 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64. 4 raised to power 3 is 64. So we have 3 times 64. So we have 3 times 64. So equal to 3 times 64 plus, so we have 0 times 4 raised to power 2. 4 raised to power 2 means 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. So that's 0 times 16. So 0 times 16 plus 1 times 4 raised to power of 1 is 4. So we have 1 times 4. Then we have plus 4 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 2. That's 2 times 1. Then plus, so we are looking at this now. So 2 times 4 raised to power -1. Don't forget, when we have negative as part of our power, the negative power represents 1 over. So it means 4 raised to power of -1, 4 raised to power of -1 is going to be 1 over 4 raised to power 1. That's what it's going to be. So we have 2 times 1 over 4 raised to power of 1. So we have plus 2 times 1 over 4 raised to power 1. Then we have 4 raised to power of -2 would equally mean 1 over 4 raised to power 2. 1 over 4 raised to power 2. So multiply by 1. So we have plus 1 times 1 over 4 raised to power 2. Then we begin to solve all these. So 3 times 64 is 192. So we have 192 plus 0, because 0 times 16 is 0, plus 4 times 1, which is 4, then plus 2 times 1, which is 2. Then we have plus 2 times 1 over 4, that's 2 over 4. So we have plus 2 over 4, which I am still going to solve or simplify into the lowest terms. 2 over 4 is 1 over 2. So plus 1 over 4 squared is 16. That's 1 over 16. Plus 1 over 16. So which is going to be equal to 192 plus 4 plus 2. 192 plus 4 plus 2 is going to be 198. We have 198 plus 1 over 2, because when you divide by 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we have plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 16, which is going to give us 198 plus, so the LCM of 2 and 16 is 16. 2 in 16 is 8. 8 times 1 still remains 8. Plus 16 in 16 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So which is going to give us 198 whole number. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 16. 9 over 16 in base 10. In base 10. And that's the final answer. So 198 whole number, 9 over 16 in base 10. And if you want to write it in decimal point, it's going to be 198 whole number, point